Just climbed the staircase in level 4. I'm greeted by a big pair of red lanterns. Essential strings selling violins. Look at that, over 100 kinds of violins inside. And level 3, there's a standard Latin dance company, dance school. And there's a special meal right here. From 11 to 5, 11 to 9 p.m, $5 only. Open space right here. You can see a lot of stuff here, like the beautiful church. Then check out the price of the resale HDB right here, the Waterloo Center. This is a very colorful company with some red box. Wow, I'm now at the rooftop garden. The view from level 3. Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at a very special place, the secret HDB mall that most locals don't know about it. That is the Waterloo Center. Waterloo, let's check it out. I'm also here to check out some of the negative room reviews of this Waterloo Center. Is it true? They say it's filthy, and then nothing much here, confusing street. And that's the last one, the truly city corner of Singapore. There are more reviews, but we just check out a few. There's a food junction, kind of kopitiam right here at level 108. And there's a special meal right here from 11 to 5, 11 to 9 p.m, $5 only. The curry fish head, Sky Lace Chinese language learning school, and not only that, there's a Merlin framing HDB 1942, that's a long time back. There's one happy customer from the bicycle shop. There's booty shop right here, and another booty shop. I think they're the same name, so the same owner, right? And not only that, some Bollywood dancing, Zumba fitness. Check out the lift, it only is the level 1. 5 to 18, I think 5 to 18 is the HDB area. I just reached level 5. It's a big spacious space with the HDB overlooking it, but I'll come back soon because I need to check out the shops at the bottom. Just climbed the staircase in level 4. I'm greeted by a big pair of red lanterns by the Jumo Chap Key Trading Private Limited. I've never seen such big lanterns so far in my whole life. This is quite big. Some officers here and a good view of Singapore. It may be scary if you come here alone at night. Remember, the 7 months just passed. Now level 4 is also quite deserted, but I guess the rent is cheap here. Or there's a food right there, I don't know what is the company selling. And there's a Usu Center as well as an art studio. Also a dance studio called EV Dance, Evolve Through Movement. Now the walkway is pretty narrow, so be careful you're moving stuff right here or you're walking with your friends side by side. It's a nice view of some church. It's an IT company called Teco, and I don't see any shops open at the moment. Oh, there's one, Robert Khan International Business Asset Consultation. And level 3, there's a standard Latin dance company, dance school, consultancy called the Smart Space. And then there's one Groove Latin, this dance, fitness and wellness. The view from level 3. Mary Man. Absolute Private Limited. Visual Connect at 0219. Value Max Pawn Shop. And level 2 now, there's a company called JC Health and the Better Spine Management Collection Company. And then look at this, OVO collectible cards, buyback cards, instant valuation and payment, buy, sell and trade. And there are a few customers inside. Mostly are all guys at the moment. There's an event there by the Apex Wealth Management Company and the PIAS Professional Investment Advisory Services. Yeah, so this Picture World Photo Studios, as well as a big violin company, Essential Strings. This is a very colorful company with some red box. I think it's a safe, security safe, that kind of stuff. And there's a silver one inside as well. Next, we have a pretty fair studio. It's news, making news, doing the news. If you love massages, TCM stuff, or even cutting your hair, can come here. This will be one of the most interesting shop so far. Singapore-centric calligraphy agency. They actually have the students inside learning and writing the calligraphy. Wow, I'm now at the rooftop garden. Oh, looks nice, although I hope it don't rain though. It's a bit drizzling right now. Well, what do we have here? I think this is a very special place, the HDB, even though they are like not very new. I think built in 1960s or 70s. That is like over 50 years old this year, and they are remaining less than 50 years this. Oh, it's raining now. So I walked to this area, Block 264 Waterloo Street. There's an exercise corner, the right side, and supposedly a rooftop garden is over there. And there's this open space right here. You can see a lot of stuff here, like the beautiful church, Marina Bay Sands. Wow, you can even see fireworks during special days like Chinese New Year Eve, New Year's Eve, and maybe National Day. Yeah, that's for sure, right? Because the Malayan Park is over there also. You can walk today, but I think it takes quite some time, about 20 minutes. It looks near, but not so near, right? Subscribe to my channel right now if you enjoyed the video, and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Wow. Can you imagine living here? It's just so central, in the central of everything. You can even walk to a few MRT, at the Bugis MRT, City Hall, and Bencoolen. There's Downtown 9 as well, the Northeast 9. Oh man, this is good. And Wilby, I think it's a hotel, right? So yeah, it's a good trip today. You can see the vehicles, the cars and motorbikes below, and the trees. Right now, the exercise corner, there's some massage stones right here. And not only that, there are some machines or equipment. The first one with the chin-up bar on right. How many of you can do 20 chin-up during your BMT? And let me know in your comment. I'd like to hear from you guys. And this is a monkey bar. Actually, it's not very tall, no. This monkey bar is 1 point, maybe 2 meters. I just realized you can see a partial view of the Singapore Flyer as well as the 5-star Pan Pacific Hotel from here. Now there's something strange about this neighborhood. It's like there are so many fun stuff, right? I mean, you have the beautiful views, you have the beautiful flowers and garden, but I don't see anyone beside myself right now. Maybe they are still at work. The time is 6:30 p.m. But there are still residents who are self-employed and uncle and auntie who are retired, right? So actually it's nice to come down for a walk. There's an exercise corner, there are flowers, and there's a view. And the weather is so good. You can even see Hotel Waterloo from here, so why not? I think let's check out the view first. Colorful buildings, wow, Fortune Center. And the blue color building, I'm not sure what is it, if you guys know. Oh, I know already. It's part of the Women's Association, just out past street. Wow, all the people look like ants to me, as well as the cars and those. Oh, and the motorcycles. There's another beautiful, colorful building over there. There are also benches for people, residents to sit. And guess what? You don't have your resident to come here, so you can just drop by. It's not illegal, it's not trespassing, because you're just enjoying the rooftop garden, and then you're not going up to the HDB to harass anyone or along or something. You know, you can just say that you went for the services at the shop at level 1, so you're a bit curious, come to level 5 and check out, and then you're not doing anything harmful, right? And then say the police spot you and ask you this kind of question. You know, Singapore police like to ask people questions.